Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. So I recently reacted to Teresa Pondo and Namadingo's song, and somebody was like, "Yo, check out Toptik," and I was like, "Toptik? That's the first time I'm hearing that artist." Turns out it's a big artist out there in Malawi. Like, yo, guys, I've been doing this for 3 years now, and you now decided to introduce me to Toptik. This is not fair. Anyway, how are you guys doing? It's Sunday. Happy Sunday to everybody. Hope you went to church and had a blessed Sunday. Hope you, whenever you watch this video, I hope you had a blessed day. And if you have not, I pray that your days coming will be pleasant. Okay, Toptik Koma Iwe, but you. I think that's what Koma. Yeah, but you or for you. Wow, I was sure that I know what Komaiwa means, but now that I'm thinking about it out loud, it's like I don't really know. Anyway, let me know in the comment section. Am I right or am I right? Yeah, man. Please go check out Toptik's YouTube page. I was surprised to see that this artist is a big artist, one of the biggest artists out there in Malawi. They have subscribers, they have lots of views. Let me see if I can show you guys here. 902,779 views, 12,000 subscribers, 900,000. Wow, almost a million views. Anyway, that's a big artist out there. You don't pull those numbers if you're like a small artist or if your music does not resonate with people. Let's get to the song. Oh, by the way, if you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads. Hey, beautiful voice, beautiful video, by the way. Oh my god, I need to like take it back a little bit. Let's see. Let's start from the beginning because I think I missed it. Nyanda made it. Pick a ball.
Wandimaliza ngati nduyendera pando fana sandi pangezo tindi balali ilole sindinga mubise pangoli ndiwe otula ngoli wakasoli kope yako yo wala ngatosola majali ne ukangokana pano paya kamuntu ndiyamba ngondo undiva kuwawa
It has like traditional elements to it, you know, those what do you call it, tay green type of vibe.
My makeup, my outing was such a type of pamper. So says how to for you, babe.
To pamper my outings. It's funny, I can hear some other words, but I don't hear him clearly. I don't know if it's because, I don't know, he's, maybe it's how he's saying these words. It's like some of the words I hear what he's saying, but it's just difficult for me to understand because, you know, my chichewa,
just keep getting lost in your eyes. Ikakuna tima wanga umakonda fast.
Hey, takona mutima wanga umakonda fast. Like I saw you and my heart fell too fast. Right? Loved you so fast. Fell for you so fast. How do you get what I'm saying? That's a beautiful place though where they're shooting this video as well. Hey. That's you. I think that's what you say. The whole culture at the stadium. Yeah, beautiful stuff, man. I love this vibe. I love looks like I'm not subscribed to Toptik. Let's see. We gotta change that. Give a like as well. Wait, there we go. Thank you so much. If you are here for the first time, also go check out Toptik and subscribe as well. You know what I mean? This is a beautiful song, beautiful video as well. Oh, that music it has some traditional elements to it, right? It just like gives me that vibe of take me. I don't know, maybe it's an offensive thing to say, but to me anyway. Thank you so much for checking this out, man. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm. I'll see you guys on the other side. Bye.
Ndiri chete ndiri pants wandikopanga toita